Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've kind of relocated my desk a little bit just because it's really bright in front of the window, and although a lot of people love the brightness in the window for natural light, it really bothers my eyes on an everyday basis, and I use this space to work from home. But anyways, I'm here with a product review. So I want to introduce the product, which I'm sure you already know because of my shot picture at the start of the video. It's by Dezi Perkins, the Dezi Claro QC Vitamin C Glow Serum. So I have a few things to say about this. Now I'm halfway through the bottle and I don't even know where to start. So let's talk about my order experience. My order experience, ordering it was fine. However, it cost me $80 Canadian, $80 for the product. Then when the product arrived, I had to pay an additional $20 in tax fees. That costed a total of $100 for this serum. Now, I don't mind spending a little bit of money on, serums and creams that, soak into the skin. However, they have to do something phenomenally well. Did I say that right? First off, I'm gonna apply it on my face as I talk to you. We'll see if I can. It comes out in a creamy consistency, and if you notice, it looks like there's nothing in there. It's because the packaging sucks. It's heavy packaging, but like, does that make any sense? Dezi, I don't understand how you're pretty much cheating out your fans because your packaging freaking sucks. For $100, girl, you should be on point with the packaging, okay? So I have to take it apart in order to dump it out. And that's like a pain in the ass, okay? Barely anything is coming out because I'm pretty much almost done this product. Like there's like a couple centimeters left of it at the bottom, but it's hard to get out. So I've wasted so much product in there. Do you see that? So this is just a topical serum that when you apply it, it just makes your face glow once it's applied. It does not correct dark spots. It does not correct redness. It's basically a glorified serum. I cannot describe to you how annoyed I am at the thought that this cost $100. Okay? When you put this in, that little knob maybe goes down to here, and you still have the rest of the bottle that has product in it that you cannot get out, and this is a glass jar. So good luck getting the rest of that out. I can't even get a spatula in there because the bottle is so skinny at the top that you can't shove anything in there unless it's like a skinny pencil. That's how pissed I am. $100 I should be able to get to all of the product, okay? $100, I should be able to see some serious difference in my skin even after I've washed my face the next day. You only see a difference when you use this product right away. So you're getting the glow under your makeup. Like if you put this underneath your makeup, you get that natural glow. This is not a vitamin C serum I would recommend for fixing age spots, texture, wrinkles, whatever the case may be. I think it's a joke. I love Dezi, don't get me wrong. She is one of the beauty gurus that I have followed for years, even, you know, before she got really, really big. And I am really disappointed because I expected more out of her. And the fact that I can't even like barely get out product that is that should be $100 bottle of serum really annoys the shit out of me. And it just goes to show that you're just paying for the name. You're not really paying for a product that works, and that's what pisses me off. I will not be buying this again. It's not worth my money. I could buy $100 serum at Sephora in Toronto and get a better result with that than I can with this. I'm really disappointed. That's all I have to say. And that, like, this is so heavy. Like, it's a glass bottle. It's so heavy. Like, do you hear that? Like, that's a really heavy bottle. I am really, really disappointed in this, and I really thought she could do better. And I'm really surprised that, you know, I've seen so many people praise this product, but I'm here to tell you this is bullshit. Garbage. Waste of money. You're better off spending $100 at Sephora and getting something there, because this is not it for me. I definitely prefer my Drunk Elephant vitamin C serum over this one. At least, even though that one is fully sealed, you get all the product out and you know that it's all gone when you use it up. This one barely even lasted me a month, maybe a month and a half, because no, I would say a month, hitting close to a month, because I got this in June and I started using it right away. And once I got past that point where that straw is, then it no longer brought up any product. See that? That's really bad. So thumbs down, Dezi. I'm really disappointed in you, and I'm disappointed in the product. I really did have high hopes for it when I ordered it, and I ordered it with my own money. I had high hopes because she is all about skincare and like, no, just no. If you guys have tried it and you've liked it, good for you. But for me, I have high standards, and this just did not meet that standard. So thank you guys for watching. I hope, you know, I could save you some money. If you have any questions about it, let me know down below. I showed you how I applied it. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. It's a milky consistency. It soaks right into the skin, and you get like a glow after you put it on. So it does work nicely under makeup. However, the fact is there's more cons than there's pros, and it's not worth the price tag for me in Canada to buy this all the time. So that's a thumbs down for me. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.